A woman who can't be corrected will eventually destroy you. Let's talk about the most dangerous woman a man can ever love. Not the liar, not the cheater, not even the manipulator, but the woman who cannot be corrected. Because a woman who refuses correction isn't just stubborn, she is a threat to the life you're trying to build. Let's break it down.
Okay.
1. She sees every correction as an attack. You try to guide her, she hears control. You set a boundary, she hears oppression. You speak with wisdom, she hears criticism. To her, correction feels like an assault. And a woman who feels attacked by truth will defend her flaws harder than her future. 2. Her pride is louder than your peace. A correctable woman grows, an uncorrectable woman fights. She fights logic, she fights order, she fights peace, because her ego matters more than evolution. She doesn't want solutions, she wants submission, yours. 3. She thinks apologizing makes her weak. You apologize, she deflects. You reflect, she resists. To her, I'm sorry means accountability, and accountability means she can't blame you anymore. So she needs you to stay the villain so she never has to face herself. 4. Every argument becomes character assassination.